These are very challenging times, but fortunately, Hope has seen the writing on the walls and has been working very hard on initiatives to help Canada diversify its economy and make Canada Canada's best trading partners. In the last few years, we worked very hard with the Hamilton steelmakers to try to create more domestic markets and onshore some production. We've also worked very hard in Hamilton at developing an agri-food hub, which gives access to international markets for Ontario producers and also creates advanced manufacturing opportunities for food production down the line. We've developed a wonderful facility in Oshawa to support overseas export of grain and continue to invest in our infrastructure there. In Thorold and in the Niagara region, we continue to develop an industrial hub and are working hard to create direct supply chains into overseas markets. In Sault Ste. Marie, we've been working closely with the city, with the province and the federal government to develop a new port authority there. That is going to have a very positive impact on local businesses in supporting introduction of advanced manufacturing. It'll support the steel making that goes on in the area now, as well as access to critical minerals and a real gateway for northern communities. Finally, on nuclear, we continue to work with various different nuclear component suppliers in helping them to both service the Ontario demand, but also helping them to access international markets and overseas export opportunities. It's a very, very challenging time, and I'm delighted with the HOPA team's work that they've done so far to try to address it, and look forward to the work going forward.